Hi friends, I'm Luma, and this is a new video from TinyZen Kids. Today we're going to enjoy a fun yoga session together, and my friend is here to help us. Let's gently unfold our mat. Take a deep breath in, and slowly breathe out. Are you ready? Let's start. Before we begin, if you enjoy yoga with me, tap like and subscribe to TinyZen Kids so you don't miss any new adventures. Let's start with a breathing game. We breathe in, 1, 2, 3, 4, hold it, 1, 2, 3, 4, slowly breathe out, 1, 2, 3, 4, and stay still, 1, 2, 3, 4, great job, let's do it one more time, 1, 2, 3, 4, hold it, 1, 2, 3, 4, slowly breathe out, 1, 2, 3, 4, and stay still, 1, 2, 3, 4, great job. Now we're going to try a super strong pose. Warrior 2. Step your feet wide, bend your front knee, stretch your arms out, like a superhero. Look forward, stay strong, and breathe. You are powerful, you are brave, you are a warrior. Let's hold it together, for a couple of seconds more. Come on, amazing job. Now let's try pyramid pose. Step one foot forward, and the other back. Keep your legs strong, slowly fold your body forward. Nice and easy, no rush. Feel the stretch, and breathe. You're doing amazing, every little effort makes you stronger. Stay calm, stay focused. You've got this. Now let's try the half moon pose. It's all about balance. Place one hand down, lift your back leg up, reach your other arm up to the sky. Focus your eyes and find your balance. You're doing it, keep going. Even if you wobble, that's okay, you can try again. Amazing balance. Hold it, just a little more. Great job. Now let's grow into a tall tree. Stand strong on one foot. Place the other foot on your leg. Hands together at your heart. Find your balance. If you wobble, that's okay. Trees move in the wind. Stay tall and proud. You are calm, strong, and growing every day. Great job. Now slowly lower your foot. Let's change sides. Stand strong on the other leg. Place your foot gently. Find your balance again. Stay tall and steady. You're growing stronger and stronger. Alright friends, let's turn into a cat. Come onto your hands, and your knees. Now, round your back. Like a spooky cat, pull your belly in, and tuck your chin. Miu, can you do it? Make your back super round. Big cat stretch. You look amazing. Stay strong, and keep breathing. Great job, little yogis. Now let's switch to cow pose. Drop your belly down, lift your chest, look forward. Can you be a happy cow? Open your heart and let your belly relax. You're doing amazing. Moo. Now let's try shoulder stand pose. Lie down on your back. Nice and comfy. Slowly lift your legs, up to the sky. Now, gently lift your hips. And support your back, with your hands. Look at your toes, so high up. Stay steady, and breathe. You're doing amazing. Hold it, just a little more. And slowly, come back down. Great job, little yogis. Let's try Plow Pose. Lift your legs over your head. Nice and slow. Can your toes touch the floor? Woo, you're doing it. Keep breathing. Stay calm. You're strong and super flexible. Hold it, just a little more. And gently roll back down. Amazing job, yogis. Now let's try the fish pose. Lift your chest, open your heart, gently drop your head back. This one is a little challenge, but you're doing great. Take a deep breath, you've got this, and slowly relax down. Amazing effort, yogis. Now for our final rest. Crescent moon. Lie down on your back, arms and legs soft and relaxed. Close your eyes, slow and gentle breaths. Feel your body melting into the mat. Stay calm and peaceful. Just relax and enjoy. Thank you for practicing with me today, little yogis. I'm so proud of you. Remember, every time you move and breathe, you grow stronger, calmer, and healthier. If you enjoyed our yoga time, tap like and subscribe to TinyZen Kids so we can keep growing together. Keep shining, keep breathing, keep doing yoga. See you in our next adventure.